Have you ever walked through your own front door and felt like the space simply didn't reflect the person you've become? We often spend our days chasing the next trend. Yet there is a profound, quiet power in returning to a home that feels both grounded in history and completely refreshed for the future. Today, we are opening the doors to a transformative journey, stripping away the clutter to reveal a canvas of warmth, texture, and soul that feels exactly like a breath of fresh air. Welcome to Hambalung Studio, where we believe that a house becomes a home the moment you infuse it with your own story. In this episode, we are diving deep into the art of the modern farmhouse aesthetic, focusing on a Home Renovation 2026 vision that prioritizes timeless comfort over fleeting fads. From the raw beauty of natural wood to the curated charm of vintage finds, we are exploring how to blend rustic heritage with the sleek, clean lines of modern living. Whether you are looking to revitalize your living room with layered textiles or searching for the perfect office furniture that balances professional function with inviting style, you have come to the right place. We aren't just talking about aesthetic changes. We are talking about creating a sanctuary that supports your lifestyle and inspires your creativity. Let's roll up our sleeves, sharpen our vision, and discover how to elevate your decor to create a space that truly welcomes you home. Warm welcomes and layered texture. Have you ever walked into a space and instantly felt your shoulders drop? That is the magic we are building today. When it comes to a living room transformation, the goal is balancing clean, contemporary lines with cozy, historical roots. To execute this look, start with your foundation. Swap out harsh, glossy surfaces for matte, whitewashed walls. The secret to the modern farmhouse aesthetic is contrast, pairing crisp, bright backdrops with warm, organic elements. For a budget-friendly project, try framing your main window with DIY rough sawn wood trim. Instead of buying expensive store-bought furniture, look for a second-hand solid wood coffee table. Sand it down, but leave some of the imperfections. The dents and knots tell a story. Stain it with a clear, matte sealant to preserve the natural grain. Finish the room by layering neutral textiles. Throw pillows made of linen, chunky knit blankets, and a vintage-inspired distressed area rug. The heart of the home. The kitchen is where life happens. And a modern farmhouse renovation breathes soul into this high-traffic area. We are moving away from sterile, all-white kitchens and introducing earthy, grounded tones mixed with industrial metallic accents. You don't need a full demolition to completely change the vibe. Focus on high-impact areas. Swap out standard chrome cabinet handles for matte black or oil-rubbed bronze hardware. If you are open to a weekend project, consider building a simple shaker-style accent wall under your kitchen island using thin plywood strips. For the dining area, a classic farmhouse table is essential. Look for a salvaged tabletop or build your own using reclaimed wood planks. Pair it with sleek, black metal dining chairs to keep the look modern rather than dated. Finally, bring in open shelving made of thick reclaimed wood slabs held up by industrial iron brackets to showcase your everyday ceramic dishware. A restful sanctuary. Your bedroom should feel like a quiet retreat at the end of a long day. In this section of our home renovation, we are channeling a serene, minimalist approach to farmhouse decor by focusing on soft lighting and tactile materials. The center of attention here is the bed. A wonderful project is creating a custom headboard. You can easily build one using weathered tongue and groove boards, staining them in a soft, muted tone like weathered gray or warm oak. Keep your bedding simple. Layered washed linen sheets in oatmeal, cream, or soft olive greens work best. Instead of matching nightstands, try using two mismatched vintage wooden side tables to give the room an organic, curated feel. For lighting, Look for bedside sconces with brass accents or fabric shades that diffuse light softly across the room. Curating office furniture. As more of us work from home, the home office has become an essential room to design. The challenge here is making a workspace highly functional without losing that inviting, rustic charm. This is where your choice of office furniture plays a vital role. The centerpiece of this space is a large, sturdy executive desk. You can build a stunning workspace by pairing a thick, solid wood top with clean-lined black steel legs. This blend of metal and wood bridges the gap between old-world charm and modern utility. When choosing surrounding office furniture, skip the sterile plastic organizers. Instead, look for open wooden bookshelves or industrial rolling carts to store your files and books. Add character to the room by using woven baskets for clutter control. And pick an office chair upholstered in a warm leather or textured fabric to keep things comfortable during long workdays. Expanding living space outdoors. A true home renovation doesn't stop at the back door. Extending your interior style out into the garden bridges the gap between your indoor and outdoor living spaces. To get this look, start by defining your paths. Laying down pea gravel or crushed limestone pathways instantly gives your yard a classic, structured look. Build simple, raised garden beds using untreated cedar planks to grow fresh herbs and vegetables. For seating, add comfortable white or black Adirondack chairs around a stone fire pit. Soften the lines of your home by planting a mix of wild, unstructured perennials like lavender, white hydrangeas, and ornamental grasses along the borders. We have traveled from the heart of the home in the kitchen to the quiet sanctuary of the bedroom, exploring how every corner can tell a story of comfort and intentional design. By layering organic textures, selecting the right office furniture, and embracing the raw, elegant simplicity of modern farmhouse style, you now have the tools to complete your own home renovation 2026. Remember, the best decor is the kind that feels personal, durable, and uniquely yours, so don't be afraid to leave those imperfections visible and let the character of your space shine through. If these design tips sparked a new idea for your home, please like this video and share it with someone who is ready to refresh their living space. We love building this community, so make sure to subscribe to the Hambelung Studio channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into home transformation. Before you go, drop a comment below and tell us which room you're planning to tackle first. We can't wait to see what you create.